We are here because we have, siyempre, naririnig namin lahat ng mga problema na nangyari dito sa pagsara o sa paglimit ng traffic dito sa San Juanico Bridge. At kaya nakausap na namin yung mga driver ng mga ibang truck. Ang ginagawa namin ay ang kapalit itong Roro na ganito. Ito pang 30 na truck. May dadating na pang 40 trucks, meron pang 50 trucks. Tapos itong rampang ito, dodoblehin natin, lalagay pa tayo doon ng isa pa para double, mga 500 trucks a day. Tapos mag-umpisa na tayo ng night navigation. Ibig sabihin kahit gabi pwedeng tumawid. So that's our way of trying to mitigate the problem. Maraming nagtatanong bakit hindi napagplanuhan na mabuti ito. The reason is, ang talagang nangyari dyan, meron kaming rehabilitation plan para sa San Juanico. Noong ini-inspeksyon yung tulay para titignan kung saan ang kailangan rehabilitate, ang daming nakita na delikado. At sinabi kaagad ng mga engineer, isara natin ito dahil babagsak ito pagka minalas tayo. Kung saan yung, pakita mo yung sa ilalim ng tulay. Tignan nyo. Yung tulay, maganda pang tignan if you look at it from outside. Pero ito yung ilalim. Kalawang na lahat. Oh, ito yung mga, ayan, ganyan na itsura doon sa ilalim. Tapos, hindi lang yun. Ito, so corrosion. Ito, this is the third span. Yung sa ilalim. Ito yung bumibigay na. Saan yung sa ito. Buckling of the bottom na. Bumibigay na yung mga troso. Kaya nung nag-inspeksyon ng DPWH para nga sa rehabilitation, nila delikado na itong tulay na ito. Hindi namin akalain na ganito kasama. Dahil siguro hindi namin malaman, hindi ginawa ng mabuti ang maintenance ng tulay. Dapat yan every 3 years binabalik-balikan. Tinatanong ko sa mga lokal, sa ating mga kababayan kung talagang nagagawa ba noon yung every 3 years. Mukhang hindi. Kaya nagkaganito. Kaya ang inabot namin talagang sira-sira na. Kaya napilitan kami isara. Kaya biglaan. Ngayon na alam natin ang problema, lahat ng maaaring gawin, kagaya na itong mga barko, mga roro, tapos meron kami mga iniisip na baka yung traffic sa San Juanico, basta papalitan natin yung mga sistema para mas mabilis. Nakausap namin yung isang driver ng truck. Ang reklamo naman nila, ang dala nila, gulay. Nag-aantay sila rito 3-4 na araw. Siyempre, hindi naman refrigerated ban yan. Kaya wala, nasisira yung kanilang produkto. Kaya yun, gagawa kami ng sistema para mauna yung mga perishable goods. Those are the mitigating factors that we are trying to undertake para naman kahit papano. Tacloban is such a center of commerce. Ang daming naapektuhan dahil dito. Kaya madali ko na naman ang Public Works na magsabi sa atin kung ano ang maaari na masabi natin na schedule. What are you saying about the different spans?
Mr. President, I think we will be able to increase gradually yung road limits until before December. Until gradually, kukumpunin na natin yung mga 3-tonner na segments and then increase it to 4 tons, 5 tons. And then eventually, matapos namin before December, magkakaroon na tayo ng about 12 tons road limit. So pwede na po yung mga bus, pwede na rin yung mga mini trucks na pwede na kumakarga ng mga perishable goods and everything para dito na sila dadaan.
Yung full completion po kailan?
Yung retrofitting
The entire bridge to be back to normal.
The entire bridge is actually, unfortunately, inaantay na natin yung new bridge. The new bridge that will be constructed. the
Well,
bridge.
we will work on this, and as I said, the sections, it will be a gradual process, depends on the traffic. But kaya in 1 year?
Kaya, Mr. President.
Narinig nyo na yung ni Sec Mami.
Mr. President, meron po bang mananagot dun sa hindi 3 months, every 3 months na i-inspect?
Well,
Kayo mga journalists, hanapin ninyo. Sige pa yung investigative journey. Wala pa kami nun eh. Kaya
So it was prior. It was prior to your
we will,
administration.
of course, hindi namin gagawin yun. That's why we will plead ignorance. We were not here yet.
Okay.
But this is, how old is this bridge?
53 years.
53 years.
53 years.
53.
53, siguro nung panahon pa ng father ko, maayos yung maintenance. O nasa DPWH na si Sec Manny nun. Maayos ang, pero after 86 yata, mukhang hindi na nagalaw.
So under
one of
declaration ngayon ng Eastern Visayas, any specific orders sa mga concerned agencies?
Sa mga?
Sa mga concerned agencies natin, sir?
Well, we already, yes, that's right. We declared the calamity so that we can bring in additional funding, we can bring additional services. Magkakaroon na ng convergence ng mga iba't ibang department, iba't ibang agency. Tapos na yan. Actually, they have already done the convergence. We know what we need to do. We just have to do it. Kagaya ng mga construction, getting more boats, maybe finding other routes na pwedeng pantawid. Kalbayog is one of the other ones, pero malayo na. So we'll see. Baka meron pang mahanap. Yes.
Mr. President, one of the worries is the pass-on charge to consumers, considering that truckers are shouldering additional fees for the RORO service. What can the
Yes.
government do to ensure that that will not be passed on to consumers?
Well, we'll have to talk to but it is unfortunately I know, especially if it is a national entity. I don't think that will happen. However, the smaller ones, I don't know how that will work. But inevitably, the transportation costs are going to go up. Somebody has to pay for that. So I don't know if it will be shouldered by. What can the government do? We can provide some assistance. We certainly can provide some assistance, but we cannot cover all of the price increase. I mean, that's just what happened because of the condition of the bridge.
So at least a partial
If the condition of the bridge had been properly maintained in these last 50 plus years, we would not be having this conversation.
Sir, ano pa po yung ibang na-mention ng truckers? I understand you spoke with them. Ano pa po yung na-raise nilang concerns? And
Well, basically, they wait here. Nag-aantay sila dito ng 3, 4, 5 days. So, sa kanila, personally, siyempre, mahirap para sa kanila. Saan sila natutulog, saan sila maliligo, saan sila kakain, etc. So we have to think about those things too. But talaga, they're just saying, please make sure that as quickly as possible maibalik sa normal. So yun ang kaming iniisip lagi, maibalik sa